2500 tick trap.
Pants. Pants. Pandas, 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 pandas. Come on, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing well. After hours are the best hours. Look at this meteoric move that happened overnight. Absolutely insane. It's had a steeper, had more acceleration than the entire day, but wow, what a day. Absolutely incredible.
2500 tick trap.
I think I gotta try. I gotta try this. Let me try with 2. Oh shoot. Got the wrong order. At least 10 points. One-to-one would be great. Will I get a one-to-one though? Came back down. Came back down hard. Basically double top here. Wanna buy here? It's usually where I put my stop, but I'm gonna buy here because of the uptrend is so strong. Jeez, alright. Goes about halfway, comes back up. Market's about to open. We got news coming up. Or, sorry, actually, news had already happened, huh? News already happened at 8:30. Which caused this huge volatility, big down, big up. Fair enough. Pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. Sorry about that. Just got into a trade, so I got a little distracted. Kevin Mack, good morning. Great intersection, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining, everybody. We're about to have the huge gap up right at the open. It's going to be insane.
2500 tick trap.
What's going on here? Do we have a full-blown reversal right at the open? Perhaps. We're going to buy here. Where we usually will get stopped out, we're going to buy instead. Because the uptrend is so strong. Usually where we get stopped out, we're going to buy. Market opening in about 30 seconds here. Usually we get stopped out, we're going to buy it just because it's such a strong uptrend. Just going to try here. Market opening 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, market's opened. Huge gap on the regular trading hours. Okay, we're in this trade. Question is, do we come out break even or make a little bit of bamboo on that first trade? Let's try to make a little bit of bamboo on that first trade. I think we can do it. Could come out break even several times. Okay.
Target filled.
So we came out break even on the first trade, and then I guess I could have held it for all the way up here, but whatever. Whatever. It was kind of going against me, so I didn't want to hold it too long. What kind of day are we going to have today, Pandas? What kind of day are we going to have? What is this? Nasty bounce off the 20 EMA here. Incredible move. It's just pure trading range right now. It's been in there for a little bit. Wow, fail second entry long. Interesting. But it is so sideways, hard to jump in anything here at the moment, in my opinion. Second entry short. I may take a trade coming back into here, but we'll see. If it's too far pushed down, no, not interested, but okay, we broke this pivot low. People still buying here? Yeah, people still buying here. Okay. Look at the regular trading hours. Huge gap. Just crushes this gap here. Creating multiple gaps beneath now. Jeez. Okay, high or low? I'll be interested. I'll be a buyer here at a high or low. It's a bad signal bar. That's the main issue here. And beneath the 20 EMA. Okay, high or low. No longer interested because it looks like we're making new lows. Lower lows, lower highs. By definition, this is currently a downtrend. Usually when you have like a huge pop-up in the after hours, the market kind of calms down and comes back to earth in a sense. So like we have a big gap here, but this could fill. We'll see. We haven't made new all-time highs yet. Not yet, but we're getting there. Next week, probably new all-time highs, and we have a strong bull bar. I mean, kind of obvious, right? On the weekly chart. Next week, all-time highs, we've got a strong bull bar here. Seems a little obvious to me. Still the first 5-minute bar. High or low? Could be interesting here, actually. That's like actually shorts their best, but high or low could be interesting. So I got you short. Lower highs, lower lows, double top here. So I got you short ends up being good at double top. Technically two key areas, right? Double top and also 20 EMA. Decent push down. This seems very overlapping. Very overlapping. No new low created yet. Most likely will happen soon. Most likely, but buyers beneath. Trading range price action. Big push up. Incredible. Big push up. V1, good morning. Blue Steel, good morning. WSG, what's so good? What I don't know what that means. Albert, Emma, good morning. Bob Sox, good morning. Duncan Kilgore, look for uptrend break, downtrend. Let's just switch it up whenever we see every bar gives you more information. We got a strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Let's get a little bit of fall through on that strong bear bar. How about, shall we? A little bit of fall through on that strong bear bar, shall we? Little bit of follow through on the strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Just a little bit of follow through here. Can we get it? A little more than that would be nice. Okay, could create the second entry, fail second entry long here. I'm a seller here. All right, we're in. Fail second entry long here. Clear stop loss. The strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. I thought it was going to give us a little more push down, but apparently it's struggling to do so. I thought it'd give you a little more of a push down here. We're struggling. Looks like we're killed. It's all good. What's $1,000 loss on a day like today? Second entry short. I don't know. We're holding. Hold. Hold. Get crushed. Oh wow. Oh wow. We are just not doing what we want to do here. Strong bear ending on low. Break it down. Ooh, do I want to hold through this is the question. No new low created.
Target filled.
I'm getting out. A little too sus for me. The position was too big for too much uncertainty, in my opinion. Position was too big for too much uncertainty, in my opinion. Yeah. So small risk here. 15 points, actually not that small.
Target filled.
I'll take a small hit there. I don't know. Did I even take a small hit? I don't even know what happened. It's just too much uncertainty. Way too sideways. Okay, it finally breaks down after I wuss out of the trade. I wuss out of the trade and it finally breaks down, but that is a lot of that's a lot of shaking. It shook me out. That's a lot of shaking right there. Goodness gracious, that's a lot of shaking. Look at the 2,500 tick. Just literally creates. It just folds right there. Limit orders. I was just not ready for that. What was I up? Was I up like? I don't even know what I lost. Jeez Louise, what did I lose there? I don't even know. Oh, I made a little bamboo there. Let's say I broke even there. I lost. Let's come $100, I guess. Not sure what happened. I lost a little money. I forgot where I was before. Where was I? What was my P&L before that trade? I don't even know. Oh yeah, I lost like $20. I lost 20 bamboos. Choppy. Downtrend though. I tried to get a piece of it, but it shook me out. It truly shook me out. I just thought it would give me a fail second entry long on this big time. Look at how choppy it is. It might not seem choppy, but this is choppy. This is definition of chop. Big push back up. Big push back down. I guess.
2,500 tick trap.
It's a bad signal bar, but I'll try. It's a bad old signal bar, but I'll try here. That's a bama jamma right there. Jeez Louise. Are you serious? Wait, I'm doubling it up here. If we come back down here, I'm doubling it up. Alright, that's what I thought. I was like, we come back down here, I'm doubling it up for sure. What in the world is going on right now? Getting super duper choppy. I don't like it. I mean, coming off a trend line, 20 EMA, terrible signal bar, but it's gonna try. I mean, I could do the obvious thing, which is limit order trades here. Just keep going short. I could do the obvious thing. Popping up now. Wow. So many overlapping bars. It's crazy. This is not so pretty. I tell you that much. Okay. I guess I'll try here. Fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Really never mind. Wow. Wowzers. Okay. Trading range. Pure trading range. Like, look at this. Look at how overlapping this is. It's kind of sick. Lots of confusion. In my opinion, lots of confusion right now. High or low? We're break even right now. It's up like 300 and I'm break even. What is it? 2, 1, and 2. I'm actually like 1 in. I think I'm at 1 in 3 right now, actually. I'm 1 in 3, yet I'm break even. That means I have good risk reward here. Really good risk reward. I mean, we're flying now. Trading range. Whoo! Fail second entry short. Really far up though. Not how I like it. Really far away from 20 MA. Still seems very like overlapping bars. Lots of overlapping bars. Very overlapping here. Gustavo bought 500K static accounts. Start next week. Congratulations. Godspeed. Hope you use code BBM for the best promo possible. Appreciate it if you did. Coming out to 20 MA now. Nice signal bar. Or entry bar. Second entry long. Will you do me the honor of giving me a second entry long here? Will you do me the honor of giving me a second entry long? No second entry long for you. That's what the market says. We're going to just micro double bottom instead. Will you do me the honor of a second entry long off these two key areas? Will you do me the honor? One time. One time for your mind. Here we go. Will you do me the honor one time? Hadouken! Alright. Close enough. Close enough, close enough, close enough. Oh, even better. If it goes too far down, you don't want that either. You don't want to go too far down here. Now it's like, ugh, it's kind of breaking the trend line, kind of breaking the 20 EMA, kind of flushing right now. Ugh. Ugh. Second lay down, no entries. Maybe here, fail second entry long. Kicks and giggles, I'll do it. Give me a fail second entry long, try. Is today the day to even trade? That's the question. Is today a day to even trade? We'll find out soon. Yikes. It did something very, very, very diabolical. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we get some bamboo here. Fail second entry long. Coming off of the breakout retest. We're going to try this. Ends up being a second entry short. Okay, fair enough. And it could just be trading range. I'm going to extend this trading range now. Since that fails, I feel like it's just a big trading range right now, like this. Second entry short here. Maybe 2 key areas here. But gotta undershoot. It's diabolical here. 2 key areas, 20 EMA and trend line. I didn't know if I want another attempt down after this trap fails. If anything, I'll go up here. Okay. The move was down ultimately. Couldn't get it though. Got in a little too early, a little too eager maybe right there. Especially with the strong push down, I thought we had some follow through waiting for it. I'd say fails like entry long, far away from 20 May. It's getting sus. Very confusing now. Very confusing now. It is a pure trading range at the moment. The 5-minute is the most obvious of trading ranges, right? We're within the first 15-minute bar. We're actually still within the first 5-minute bar. Crazy, 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 crazy. If I were going to make a trading range, I would make it look like this because we're seeing the limit orders. That's where we're seeing the limit orders. All right. I honestly think today is already a bad day. It's just not going to be a good day of trading. I should lower my my contract sizes. I should scale it. I should trade with micros today. Maybe I will. Maybe time to jump with the micros. Maybe time to jump with the micros. Maybe time to jump in with the micros here. Like all of this
2,500
should have
tick
told
trap.
us that price action is going to be a little sus today. We should be trading with micros. We should be trading limit orders, wide stops, scalping, buying low, selling high type situation right now. Substance says, quick question about TPT. Was it license paint humber? Don't like this month. What happened to the $1 million challenge? What do you mean what happened to the $1 million challenge? Let me answer your question with a question. What do you mean what happened? We're still going for it. Absolutely, we're still going for it. Okay. Pushing up. Top of the trading range, perhaps. It's really hard to like just jump in long here. I don't know. I mean, limit orders down here maybe was your best bet. If I were to put limit orders anywhere, I would put at the previous pivot low. But that's where people are buying limit orders here. People are selling limit orders here, so they technically should be selling here. Which is exactly what's happening. Like, look at this strong bull bar ending on its high. No follow through, just gets sold immediately. Shows the strength of the limit order traders today. Another reason why I took this trade,
2,500 tick trap.
was bigger than I thought, but relatively small. What's the question? Why would you say a quick question and not ask me the question? Now I'm curious. TBT is a little interesting because if you request a payout on Thursday, they actually don't give it to you until Monday. And also Friday's payouts also, you have to wait till Monday. So you just can't really trade on Friday if you have a request waiting. They don't want to take the money out of your account until like Monday. It's kind of annoying. Top of the trading range. I mean, I could be cheeky here. I could be very cheeky here. Just seeing that we are just in a pure trading range right now. And the price action is trading range price action. Tons of overlapping bars. Like too many overlapping bars. More than I can count. I'm going to bank that we're not going to go very far here. And with a wide stop, I should be able to get out. At least break even on any trade. This is the definition of selling high in a day like today. If I can get up here. This is the definition of selling. Wow! Alright, people already sold here. People sold here. This was high enough for them. I guess I was a little too conservative. Just wasn't sure. The trading range to me felt like at least right here. I didn't even get to the top of the trading range. Now we're pushing down very, very hard. Racing to the bottom of the trading range, actually. Can I buy here is a question. Bossa said that was the question. The question was, quick question. Can I ask you a question? And it's like, yeah, what's the question? That was a question. Okay, yeah, the answer is yes. You may ask me a question. Goodness gracious, what's going on? I mean, do I just buy here? Do I just develop diamond cojones at such a time as this and just buy here? You want at least a double bottom. You want at least a second entry long. Or higher low. You want some semblance of an uptrend here before going long. I could try. Shumble bar. Wow, incredible. The only way you get in is you just go long right there with a good signal bar. That's the only way you go long. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what today is all about, pandas. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Here we go. We are going short here this time for sure. If we get there, but I doubt it. Okay. The push high doesn't get as high as you would like it to before it pushes back down. This kind of shows you some bearish pressure here now. Right, the push up basically is halfway up of the trading range, and then pushes back down. This could be a breakdown because the attempt back up was not very strong. Could be a breakdown here. There's some chance of a breakdown because of the fact this bounce up here only goes halfway up. You see that? Halfway up the trading range. Comes back down. Otherwise, pure trading range. This is tough. Feels like entry long. Okay. Interesting. I could try to go short here. You're banking on a big breakdown here. I don't know. I don't know. I probably will miss the move. It's just impossible to time in situations like this. It's really impossible to time the breakouts in these situations. Really impossible to time. I'm not trying to time the market here. I'm trying to use the fact that we're choppy to my advantage. That's my edge today. Knowing, like, look at the 5-minute chart. When you get something like this, you have to basically assume it's a trading range. You have to assume it. You just simply have to assume the trading range here. Higher low. Higher low as in from down here to here. Higher low. Still haven't broken above this trend line. At the very least, we need to break above this trend line. I want a higher low. Break below here and then push back up. That's what I need. That's my only trade right now. If it goes without me, goes without me. Simply, just not much I can do. Right? If you bought anywhere here and said wide stop, you'd be fine. And I think that's what people are doing. Okay, having a hard time breaking the previous candle's low. That means limit orders are waiting here. Like if you're going short and you saw that, that's really pisses you off. If you're like short here and you saw like it just not be able to break the previous candle's low, it just makes you so angry. Come right back down to it. There is-
2500 tick trap.
Wow, there's one trade I will try here. There's one trade I will try.
2500 tick trap.
One trade I will try here. Feels like entry long on the 2500 tick trap, so one trade I'll take. Crushes my entry. Doesn't allow me to get in. That's how you know it's a good trade. It's so good you can't even enter in with a stop limit order. It was like such a beautiful trade. It did not even allow me to get in with a stop limit order. It's so sick. So sick. Couldn't even get in with a stop limit order. That's how good that trade was. Lower high. Good signal bar. Interesting. Okay. 2 strawberry bars in a row. New low. Strong bear bar ending on its low. 2500 tick chart. Previous week's high. Bouncing off of it. Breakout retest. We already broke out retest once. Breakout retest again. I'm not sure. We are on a potential support here. Limit order traders are constantly buying here, in my opinion. Either to come out break even or I'm not sure. Second just short here. Huh. Cool. All right. I mean, if you're going to give it to me, I'll do it. If you're really going to give me this setup here, I will do it. I will go long here. If you will give me this setup, this is like a S, like an A plus setup here. We don't get it though. It makes a micro double bottom instead. Yeah. It's too good to be true. The market would not give us the setup we want, which is a failed second short here. He got very close to doing it, but didn't actually give it to us. So sick. I'm being patient though. Maybe I give it to. Oh, hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. Strong bear bar ending there slow. Continue to push down. I will take the chance here for a failed second short, knowing we've been in a trading range. Could pop up back to the top of the trading range. Still trading range price action in my opinion. It is diabolical. Let's see if we get a nice little failed second short here to get a nice juicy setup.
2500 tick trap.
Ends up pushing down much harder than I'd like. Like I don't want to trap this. Such a strong bear bar. It's like it's not a good trap. It's a bad signal bar too. It's just shows like the bears are pretty strong here still. Can't get above the 20 minutes. There's no reason. This is the last chance here to reverse this back up into our trading range, our big trading range we've been in for a while. It is beneath the 20 MA, so no thank you. No thank you. At this point, I actually want to go short, looking for a new low at this point because this trap is so ugly. You want to actually, wow. I never take trades on the wrong side of 20 MA, but maybe I should start doing it. Jeez, for situations like this. This is ultimately just super confusing. No idea. I'm leaning towards coming back into trading range, but I simply do not know. Okay. Right, the trap triggers so low, so far down. It's not a trap I like to take. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. I'm really confused here.
$2,500 tick trap.
Pomplip who says, hey, I'm rather new to tick-based charts, but it's a 500 tick NQ chart similar to ES 2000 tick. I would say it's similar as in terms of the risk. On the 2000 tick chart on the EMINI, you risk about $200 per trade, and similarly to the 500 tick on the Nascraq, which is why I trade the 500 tick chart. To me, it's more about the risk. Similar amounts of risk. Wow. All right, pushing down. I guess we're crashing now. I'm going to assume the market's made its decision here. I'm going to try to go short. I'm going to assume the market's made its decision here. I should be going long here, though. Every bar's been overlapping. Literally, every bar's been overlapping. Like 50% or more overlapping the previous bar. Look at this. Look at this chart, pandas. Literally negative EV day today. It's a negative EV day today. It is certainly a negative EV day today. Like, you should just not be trading. Or just trading limit orders. License mode is September usually the worst month. Actually, it's typically a good month. Very volatile. Because everyone's coming back from summer. If you look at the actual movement, though, compared to the summer, this is a dream. I don't know if you were trading in summer, but we had this very low volatility. The ATR was like 5. Right now, the ATR is 12, which means there's a lot of volatility right now. Lots of volume. Okay, pushes down. I mean, this is like on a straight move down. I don't know. Do I just go short like this? How do I trade this? How does one trade actual doo-doo caca? How does one trade doo-doo caca? How does one trade doo-doo caca? Okay.
2,500 tick trap.
I thought we were going to create a new low. Which is why I held. I thought we were creating a new low. That's why, which is why I held. Forget that.
Target filled.
Forget that nonsense. What is going on here? Did we create a new low? Did I get greedy there? No, we didn't create a new low. Clear downtrend. Second just short.
2,500 tick trap.
Whoa. So usually you don't like to see that when you enter a trade. You usually don't like to see that when you enter a trade. We're in. Okay, I got a scalp. I got a scalp here in these situations. This is very, very, very tricky here. I need to start scalping. Forget runners. Forget swing trading here. Just scalping here. If I'm lucky, I can get another push down here.
Target filled.
Alright, I'll take it. Look at this panda. It's like, what are we dealing with here? I just need a scalp, though. That was enough for 10 points. I hate that. Yeah, that was enough for 10 points. Even that was enough for 10 points. Made a new low. Just absolute wild. Like, super. Like, I gotta just scalp right away because every bar is retracing. Every single bar is retracing deeply. So, deep retracements every single bar. If this pushes down, this will be like breaking the pattern. If it does push down hard here, it's just deep retracements every like I might as well trade this chart here because you can clearly see where all the retracements are. I might as well trade this chart here because you can see all the retracements happening here. So I'm gonna just trade as this has been going down. I'm gonna trade as it's been doing, which is limit orders here, limit orders down here. Whoa, too many. I should be buying here. Limit orders. Does retrace back up to 20 EMA. I mean, if you do it again, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me, right? I obviously don't want to go short because it's in a downtrend. Like, I do want to go short. Sorry, I don't want to go long down here because it's a downtrend. And at any moment, the bears could feel confident and turn this into an always in short and just start crushing this, right? Basically, the bulls are capitulating. All right, so I'm going to just do what's been happening. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just gonna do what's been happening. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Simple as that. That's what I'm trying to do here. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Like, I may just have found the bottom here, but it's just like I'm gonna just do what the market's been doing, and I'm gonna continue to think it's gonna do what's gonna be doing until I'm like very convinced it no longer is doing what it's been doing.
Target filled.
Exactly. All right. We're very convinced. I'm just going to keep doing what it's been doing. Just scalp like 10 points there, right? That's what I'm looking for. 10 points. Yeah, 10 point scalps is what I'm looking for right now.
$2,500 tick trap.
Any moment this can turn to always in short. Like, it's just a matter of time, in my opinion. Like, even that was pretty much always in short right there. Which is why I don't want to go long at the bottom of this, because it could, like, bears will eventually feel super confident to jump in and just realize we're just on a tear. We're just gonna flush. 20 EMA could be bouncing off here on the 5-minute chart. Okay, lower highs here. Still pushing down. Disregarding the 20 EMA. Is it? It's so obviously going down. You just got to go short somewhere. Albert Emmo starting his weekend. Hey, have a great weekend, man. Thanks for joining. Pans, make sure you scout that like button. 45% of you guys thought it would be a bull trend day today, which makes sense. It's an overnight session. We had just a bull tear. But what do we have here now? Just like a bull breakdown. Our bear breakdown. Jeez. I mean, it's just weird. Let's just go short. First entry. Trap, first entry. Makes a new low. Fair enough. Still making lower lows, lower highs every single pivot, even though they're super small. Small pullback bull trend, that's what it is. Or small pullback bear trend, that's what this is. Alright, whatever. Eventually, I just gotta sell randomly, no? Like, I just gotta jump in. Pullback of some sort? Deep pullback? No. 3 bull bars in a row? Four bull bars in a row? What's going on? First entry. Second entry short maybe here. Doesn't quite trigger. It tries to trigger but doesn't quite get there. It tries to trigger but doesn't quite get there. Trying to get in here. It's just so obviously trying to go down.
Target
So obviously
filled.
just trying to go down. I gotta go short. Filling the gap. Just seems like it wants to fill the gap. Like it went straight to fill the gap. Literally. First bar made its high and then just went straight down to fill the gap. I gotta go short again, I think. Maybe deep pullback here? I'm not sure. Always in a short on the 5-minute chart. I'm just selling. I don't even care. If it goes against me, it goes against me, sure. But I gotta just sell at that bear bar. Like this bear bar, any near as low like that, I just gotta sell it. Especially so close to a key area. Deep pullback, that's fine. I gotta sell there. I gotta try. Like really deep pullback, I gotta just try. Thinking that, you know, whatever pullback happens, it's gonna be small. I gotta just try here now. It's a really strong push up though. Just a really deep pullback. Like deeper pullback than I would like it to be, but I gotta just trust that this bear bar will have a little bit of follow through. It seems like it's not. Like, and it's pushing me to my limits now. It's like so much pain, unnecessarily big pain here for me. Yeah, it's just such a big pain. If it breaks this high, I'm done. It was such unnecessary big pain, but I just gotta hold it, thinking we're gonna push down. Like, it's gonna have a little bit of follow through on that strong bear bar. I gotta hold through that. Unfortunately, I just have to hold through that big pullback. It's a really big pullback for me. I don't like it. It is what it is, though. I'll probably get crushed here, though. Still gonna be like a $2,000-$3,000 loss. Staying above the 20 MA. The pullback is just much deeper than I can handle, so it is what it is. If I get stopped out here, that's fine. It's just part of the game. I gotta hold it to think, like, to the point where I feel like my premise is over. My premise is over up here, in my opinion. Double bottoms off the previous day's high. This could be a big bounce here. I don't know. Could be a second inch short on the 2500 tick chart for me. Simple as that. Yeah, this is dead. I'm dead. Darn. Sucks. Sucks. I'm dead. I'm pretty sure I'm dead here. If it does give me a nice push down, it'd be great, but I'm pretty sure I'm dead here with this spike up. And I don't think it's gonna break this low. Okay, it breaks it low. Alright. If it breaks that low and breaks this high, I think I'm dead. Might as well just hold it. Yeah, I'm dead. Wow, we're still alive somehow. We're still alive. $1,000 loss instead of a $3,000 loss.
Target
Oh my
target
gosh,
filled.
pandas, that's insane. I actually just did that. I actually held through a 36-point pullback, which is freaking insane, panda. I was like, why? Why do I have to go through that pain for no reason? It's super frustrating. It's just super. I just had to trust. I had to trust that this bear bar was gonna have some follow through. I had to trust, and the risk was huge, but I just had to trust it there. I'm not gonna trade as large. Gotta go through 20 of these errors. I can't even. Okay, gotta get 20 of these errors. Okay, couldn't even do what I really wanted to do, which was to fill that gap. Now it's too late. I guess I could have held it, but geez Louise. I mean, that was a good trade at the end. Risked a lot, though. Risked a lot on that trade, unfortunately. Risked a lot. When does the 30% consistency rule kick in is the question. I think it kicks in after you make 5K, right? When does a 30% consistency rule, negative 30% consistency rule kick
2500
in?
tick trap.
That was wild. So unfortunate. So unfortunate. The main issue of that trade was I just traded too large. For the amount of pullback, the amount of risk I was holding, I traded way too large for that size. I made a beeline to fill the gap. Absolutely incredible. So sick here.
2500 tick trap.
If you look at the rules, consistency rules is literally like it's a dissertation. It is a dissertation. Negative 30% consistency rule. Live on open. Can I see 30% accounts profits balance at the start of? Oh, but what if you have? This is not day loss limit. 30% of your start of the day profit. But what if you have less than? Profit balance is 4,000. You should not allow to exceeding 1,200. But what if you're like at 3 to 4 accounts that are new, low profits? The 30% rule is based on trailing threshold. Okay, the trailing threshold. Yeah, I definitely broke it there. I was down like 3,000 at a certain point. The trailing threshold is what, 5,000. So your max loss you can have on one trade is 1,500. So I already broke the 30% consistency rule. So no matter what, our first payout will be denied. So what that means, pandas, is that the moment you can request payout, you just request it. Doesn't matter. So you can hurry up and get dinged. Jeez Louise. I could have held that. That'd be a nice trade, actually. Really nice. It'd be a $3,000 trade.
2,500 tick trap.
Now I'm like kind of confused. A little bit mental capital was wasted there. We've literally had like
2,500 tick trap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bear bars in a row. 8 bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart, pandas. You know how crazy that is? Straight to fill the gap. What else do we want to do here? We have a gap beneath now, right? We simply filled this gap here overnight. Most likely, I mean, we keep going down. As long as we keep going down, we just keep selling. Okay. Okay. Okay, what a bounce. We could hang out here for a long time. It's the previous day's close. Okay. We're testing the previous day's close. We kind of tested 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3 times here now. Made a wedge bottom as well. Huh. What to do, pandas? What to do? I had to trust. I really had to trust. Man, but look at this pullback. Why is the pullback so incredibly deep? Why does it have to be this deep? It must
2,500
be the
tick trap.
shorts. It must be the bulls closing their positions. Wow, all right, another big strong push down. I mean, it's starting to look like a trading range a little bit here. But it's a strong downtrend regardless. Okay. What happens now that you broke negative 30% consistency rule? It just means that once I request a payout, they're going to deny it. And after they deny it, you have to trade 8 trading days again, with 5 days being $50 or more. So it's not the end of the world, but it just sucks because it delays your payout by 8 days. It's just a small amount of time, right? For me, I don't mind because I'm just gonna keep building these accounts, right? We're going for 1 million. So if they reject, if they if they stop my my payout, deny my payout, then I simply will just keep trading until I get to my next payout. And then, honestly, you could like protect your profits by just literally scalping or just flipping 3 days and then just trading 5 days, 1 scalp per day, $200 or more. Sorry, $50 or more. And you can literally get your payouts. But to me, since my goal is 1 million, I'm going to just keep trading. These are Apex accounts, yep. Why don't I trade MFFU? I hate MFU. FU to MFFU. How many accounts can you trade with MFFU? How many accounts can you trade, huh? Riddle me this. How many accounts can you trade with MFFU? Why I didn't take that second too short? I thought we were starting to turn the trading range a little bit here. Strong bull bar. 2,500 tick chart coming off the 240 SMA. Thought we were going to get a little bounce. Whoa, language. There's baby pandas. Hopefully, baby pandas don't know what FU means. MFFU. Think about what that stands for. Think about if that was an acronym. If you didn't know the prop firm space and someone typed out MFFU, what would you think that meant?
2,500 tick
You wouldn't
trap.
be. You would probably think it's not a good thing. That's a feeling I get when I trade them. You can trade 5 accounts, yeah. There's your answer. There is your answer. Why I don't trade MFFU. Counter trend trading here. You gotta love it. Recognizing trading range price action. Or price action, or yeah, trading range price action here. I need a scalp quicker here. I just need a scalp here. Ooh, missed it again. Can I just get something? Can I get anything? Yeah, nothing. Doesn't give me anything on that trade.
2,500 tick
I mean, not
trap.
even 10 points, so what can you do about it? Oh, it is 10 points. I gotta change my thing. I'm just looking for 10 points now. 10-point scouts back and forth because trading range is starting to form here. I should keep going short though, near the top. Going in and out of the 20 MA as you can see. The hard part is to go long in this situation because of how strong the downtrend's been. The hard part is just to go long. Because then, like, if it goes against you, you have to scale in. It's tough. It's tough to scale in like that. And his name is John Cena.
2,500 tick trap.
So get your short. Okay, trade. Not a bad trade. Very confusing here. Very confusing here. I mean, it's trading range, price action. I could try. I could try here, but it could be scary to go long. Very scary to go long in this situation. That's exactly what people did though, limit orders. Exactly what people did right there, just went long there. I could go short here maybe. I want some sort of entry though to go short. Wow, it's far away from 20. So far from the top. Exactly what people are doing here is going short with limit orders here. So sick.
$2,500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
Only short into this bottom trade range, but only because a second inch shorts formed on the 5-minute or 2,500 tick. People seem not to care. Too scared to lose money in this situation. I gotta stop being scared to lose money in these situations. It's completely overlapping bars here. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna try anyways. Kicks and giggles. Let's see if we get a nice little push down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bear bars or bars in a row. Completely overlapping. Could be the most obvious. Okay, I'll take it.
Target filled.
I'll take it, whatever. Trading range still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bear bars about to form here on the 5-minute chart, which means it's getting close to the end of this downtrend before traders will start to look for a pullback. I'm gonna try go long trading range here. Buy low.
Target filled.
Alright, easy peasy. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Buy low, sell high, scalp, right? I should sell here. But because of this undershoot, makes me feel like maybe an overshoot here. Okay, making lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. It's just a downtrend. It's actually still a downtrend, but very choppy downtrend.
2500 tick trap.
How it looks like on the 5-minute chart, this is what it looks like. Just so many bear bars in a row. This is how the 2500 tick chart looks like, just completely chopped. Which is why I'm trying to buy low, sell high. And just scalp. Again, you could just bought with here. Could have bought here. I guess this is the trend line I should be using to sell. By the time I notice it, it's probably too late. Okay, high or low. I still want to just buy here. Could be a big
2500
mistake.
tick trap.
Could be a big mistake. Wide stop. Scale in. That's what I'm trying to do here. If I have to scale in too wide, then like I'm trading into the breakout. Yeah, that's like breaking out a little bit here. I'm hoping we can get saved by the massive trading range we've been in this whole time. Come out break even if possible. If not, we'll just take the hit and it is what it is. I don't know if I can take another scale in here. I don't know if I can take another scale in here. It does come out break even perfectly, but not enough to take me out. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay, I'll take it. Came out break even. At the very least, you come out break even on that trade because of the massive trading range. Some people like trading ranges because of the fact you can just do what I just did. High or low. So I can just short. Big push down, maybe big push back up here. Trading range price action. Underneath the 20 MA. Looking for lower price action, but confusing because about 10 bars now Right, 10 bars in a row of one color usually means there's a pullback at the end of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have a pullback. There's the pullback. That's what I've been looking for a long time. But 10 bars, right? That's what Albrook says. 2 legs, 10 bars is like the end of a swing. That's when swing traders are going
2500
to look
tick
for
trap.
profits, which is why you see a pullback. But guess not. I mean, I don't know. Jeez Louise, forget about it. Forget everything I just said. Let's come right back down.
$2,500 tick trap.
Ah, wow, Panda's like, this is incredible. I don't know. I was hesitant to go short here because of the fact that we could have the 10 bars, or 2 legs, 10 bars type thing, where the swing traders are done. But when you get 10 bars in a row like this on the 5-minute chart, I mean, you're just thinking probably pullback soon. Maybe not. I could be just going crazy. Like, why would we have such a pullback? What a dumb thing to think about. Probably this doesn't Apex have a scalper? No, they don't. License Power says, or do you use a website to track your trades? No, I don't. John Q says, moment of silence for Alpine. Well, what happened to Alpine? I mean, if you're gonna just keep pushing down, I gotta just go short, but not like this, right? Not like this. Surely not like this. Still very overlapping, still very choppy, but market could be breaking down. It's rare, but the market could continue to break down strong here. You can break down a descending channel. It can. It's very rare, but it can do that. Not rare, but it's uncommon. It's unlikely. Not the highest probability. Breakdown. Especially when you're this late in trend. You're really looking for a breakdown right now? I don't know. All right. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. Call me loco right now for trying to go long in this situation. The bottom of this channel. Okay. Obviously, other bulls had the same idea, but they did it much sooner than me. Okay. One pullback. That's all you need. To the 20 EMA. Could be just one of those crazy days. You just keep selling at the 20 EMA. You make a ton of money. It would be crazy for me to try to go long here. Would it be
2,500 tick
crazy?
trap.
Yes, it is. It's very crazy for me trying to go long here. 15 pushes down on the 2,500 tick chart. I mean, 15 pushes down. If it breaks some previous candles low. Who am I to say? Why not? Why not 15 pushes down? Why not 300 pushes down? Wowzers. It is 15 pushes down. We're like 12 bars in on the 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bear bars on the 5-minute chart. It is very unprecedented. Not unprecedented, but that is... It'll take you a long time to go back and find another time where you get 12 bars in a row of the same color. Exact same color. 12 bars in a row. It's gonna take a long time, even here. That's not even all the same color, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 12 bars of the same color. It's just, it just doesn't really happen often. It just doesn't happen. It just is very rare for that to happen. So I'm not, you know, like I'm basically banking on the fact it's not gonna do that. But 12 bars in a row, something's weird. Something's going on. Bottom of the channel now. Maybe we get our pullback. I don't know. To me, it's too late in trend to even try to even go short. Like, I need this to kind of take a break. I need some bears to take some profits here so they can re-enter in confidently. Otherwise, they're just, it's too much risk for them, right? It's too much risk for them to hold. They need to protect all their profits. So I got you
2,500 tick
short,
trap.
two pullbacks. Okay. I mean, I just gotta try this because it's just Al Brooks, you know. Al Brooks, you know, you gotta try. Second just short coming off the 20 minute, beautiful. Probably make a new low. Why not? Probably make a new low. New low created. And it's just gone short there. What am I doing? What am I doing? Of course, we're gonna have 16 pushes down. Of course, we're gonna have 16 pushes down before breaking a previous pivot high. Of course. Why wouldn't I think that? One final push down. Good morning. Happy Doo Doo Kaka Friday. Doo Doo Kaka. It's that Doo Doo Kaka right now, for sure. I mean, if you're just going short, you win. You win every trade, but how rare is this just to go short like this every time? How insanely rare. It just doesn't happen very often.
2,500 tick trap.
Lower high here. Now we're kind of going to like some really big choppiness here. What happened was trading range, overshoot to undershoot, and then back to overshoot. Still clearly underneath the 20 EMA here. Okay. It's just pure chop right now. Second to short. Looking for a new low. Of course. Okay. Makes a new low. 16 pushes down. Of course you have 16 pushes down. I'm only up 970 today, unfortunately. Oh. I'm trying to do what's reasonable here. Is measure move done? Wow. Top of the trading range near the bottom of the channel here. It's funny. High or low? Top of the trading range. Maybe we make a new low. Why not? 2 bear bars in a row.
2,500 tick trap.
Bears still always in short. So sick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2,500 tick trap.
12 bear bars in a row. We're making our 13th bear bar in a row. It's really, really unprecedented. Not unprecedented. Like, it's probably happened before, but Very uncommon. 17 pushes down on the 2500 tick chart without touching the 20 EMA really one time until way up here. I mean, it's like if I enter short here and I lose this trade, just call me the master of finding bottoms. Just call me the master at shorting the bottom. Just call me the master. I will say this, we haven't had a exhaustive move yet. Okay. Cool. 20 EMA. People selling the 20 EMA still. Big push up. I think our pattern is going to break here. Or not. Wow. We finally broke our record here, our streak. I mean, I think I gotta try just to sell here, no? Like, the 20 EMA, I think I just gotta sell it because that's crazy. Any pullback will be small at this point if we have a pullback. 13 pushes down, or 12 pushes down, 12 bear bars in a row. It's actually crazy. I think I'm just gonna try to sell here, straight up limit order. Feels like I just short. Do I just go long here just for kicks and giggles? It's gonna it's gonna be a dumb long trade. It's gonna be a really dumb long trade. Fair enough. How many points did I lose? 10 points? I raised it to 12 points. Oh, it gave me slippage to 12 points. Almost 13 points. Fair enough. I just said, like, let's just go short at the 20 EMA. It's the first time we touched it in 40,000 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 50. So 53 bars since we touched the 20 EMA. I thought we would bounce off of it. Call me crazy. Call me crazy thinking we'll bounce off the 20 EMA after 53 bars underneath it. Just call me crazy. Why would I think it would bounce off the 20 EMA? That's just such a dumb idea. I'm so stupid. This pullback actually going to be very strong, huh? Do I just jump in? You need 2 strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart to feel confident to jump in here. So it's a very strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Could just get folded, but we'll see. It's the first pullback on the super strong downtrend as well. Could just get folded here. Is this a dumb trade? I guess we'll find out soon. If I can't make 10 points from this, it's a dumb trade. If I can't make at least 10 points from this, it's a really dumb trade. It's looking dumber and dumber by the minute. I'll tell you that much. Of course! Of course we wouldn't bounce off the 20 EMA. Why would we do that? That's the dumbest thing I ever thought about. Of course we'll absolutely just fold the first bull bar, which makes sense, actually. Actually makes sense. Okay, I guess we're looking for a short trade here somewhere. Big down, big up. Big down, breakout, retest. The fact we couldn't bounce off of there makes me feel like this can keep going down. It's just one pullback on the 5-minute chart. That's all it needed. Second entry short here. Spike channel. No second entry short. Or no second entry. Yeah, no second entry short. Could be a failed second entry long still. Which I'll be interested in. No entries to go in the short trade here. I don't mind if I missed the move. It's just impossible to really trade this. I lost 2 in a row, which sucks. I'm up 500. I was up 900. I just took 2 scalps, punched in the face. Question is, are we returned to a massive trading range now? Where it broke down the low. How low can you go? How low can you go? Can't make money with trend. Can't make money going against trend.
Target filled.
Try to get that 1 to 2, but couldn't get it. I'll take the fail second entry short, or yeah, fail second entry short, for the sake of the trading range developing on the 5-minute chart. Now we got limit order trades here, limit order trades all the way down here. Or we still need that one strong impulsive move to the downside, huh? Still need that. We need the final flag type trade, type movement soon too. Regardless, I'm sitting on my pause. I don't know much to trade here. Could be all first entries to the downside. Why not? I love that's the sound of music right there. That is a sound of music. What can I say? That is a beautiful sound. That error, the trade copier error. Big bounce back up. Maybe turn to trading range soon. We showed a little bit of sign of the big up, big down. Cool. Cool. Looks stronger than I want it to be.
Target filled.
Just scalping. I'm still scalping. Limit order scalping. That's all I'm doing right now. The strong bear bias, so I'm doing a lot of bear limit orders. Really, any resistance. It's a rare day for this to happen, but once it happens, I guess you gotta keep trying. Second to short, if possible. Most likely not gonna happen though. We really haven't had any actual setups. No second entries. Stops me out, but doesn't fill me. Beautiful. You gotta love that. I risked 4 points there. Beautiful. You gotta love that. Doesn't fill you. Stops you up, doesn't fill you. I might trade to stop limit orders at this point. Jesus, ridiculous.
2,500 tick trap.
What a push. Just don't know what to make of this. Still feels limit order right here. that's a word. Limit ordery. That's going in and out of 20 May. Okay. Diabolical. What just happened here is a little bit diabolical. Could we find a flag? 2500 tick chart. She yells me. Perhaps I can entry long here.
$2,500 tick trap.
Makes sense. It's actually a bit crazy right now. What's happening? Phew. Huh. Over a high. It's good for a short actually here. Yeah, looks good for a short. Nothing really sus on a 2500 tick. I couldn't make sense of it. After that trigger, it made sense to go short here over the lower high, but above the 20 May, which made it hard. This is tough. This is tough. It's getting tough. I'm up 1K. I mean, I could be happy with that. I could walk away with this. I'm completely fine being up 1K today. It's a great day. It's actually a great day. It's a superb day, in fact.
Target filled.
But you know what's better than a $1,000 day, pandas? A $2,600 day. That is much better. That is way better. Goodness gracious. How many what's going on? How many contracts did I trade there? What just happened? How did I make so much money? Yeah, this is 4 contracts. I don't know why I made so much money there. Maybe because I'm the best. I am the best. Oh, the 20-point trade. That's why. Hoo-wee! Goodness gracious, pandas. I mean, we are beyond what we need right now. 2,670. I'm like a little bit worried now because now what do I need to like actually get paid out? I need, what is that divided? 2, 6, 8. Wait. Oh, no commission. Okay, you know commissions actually is a good thing. I don't know what the commissions. You know what? Let me see. You know the best way to do it? Wait, 483. What did I start with today? I started with 233. 233 minus 260. Whoa. 480. 4853 minus 233. 2,500. Okay, divided by 0.3. 8,004. All right, I can live with that. I can absolutely live with that. I can absolutely live with that. I need about $8,400 before my first payout request. I could try to lose money here. I could try to lose a little bit of money. Should I try to lose a little bit of money is the question. We all know what happens when I do this. All right, we're going to try to lose. We're going to try to lose one scalp, okay? And we're going to do it like this. Go long here, go short up here. We're going to try to lose a little money today. We're going to try to lose one single scalp. It's as easy as to lose a scalp than to win a scalp. You know what I mean? Especially if it's a one-to-one trade. Okay, we lose one scalp. I think that's perfect. I think that's the perfect amount of what we need today. So we can like request a payout around 8,000. So I can hurry up. It's not because I want 8,000. It's because I want to hurry up and get dinged. So then I can hurry up and get to my next payout, the actual payout, right? Because I need 8 days because I'm going to get dinged for the negative 30% consistency rule for sure today. 639 minus 233. Yeah, perfect. That's exactly what I needed. All right, pandas. I think that's it. We're done for today. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow or on Monday. Actually Monday. I'm off on Monday. I'm gonna take a break. I have something to do. I'll be back on Tuesday, and my schedule's gonna be a little bit weird next couple days, next week, because I will be traveling. So I will continue to stream though while I travel. But because I'm traveling, the schedule's going to be a little bit weird. I might need like 1 or 2 days off next week just to get things settled. But pandas, rest assured, we will continue to get that bamboo. We'll continue to get that 1 million. Pandas, thanks for your support. Make sure you use code BBM for the best possible promo on Apex and TPT. And I'll see you guys bright and early next week. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. As always, happy trading with us. Bye.